lost the roundness. I gotta bring it back in the well. Came across a weak spot in the putty. A rare pocket. That fucked up the whole thing. Not too bad. I'm not even trying, bro. I guess people would say it looks it. Boy, that's a thick fender rock. Now I'm gonna have to put a groove in it. You can see in some of the Aurora, all of the Auroras. Okay. I don't know if you can see the cutout groove in there that I made so the tire will fit under, because this is way too thick. So I had to do that. And it's going to take trial and error fitting. I don't know if anybody can see the groove. This is way too thick. You can see how I had to thin it. Of course, I don't have a T-Jet body available. Chassis to put under the pig. Oh, Lord. Where the hell is the car? I took everything out of here. That's not even a chassis. Oh, shit. There's one under this Jag. Oh. This Jag has one with a cracked back that I'll have to replace. You can see that far corner is all gone. That's nothing compared to the other one that I had to make the whole back up to the gear, the axles, and through the axles. Oh, there's a chassis underneath that Corvette. Where the hell am I going? Where's the screwdriver? We have a Phillips screwdriver. That's not what I'm looking for. Holy shit. There's no screwdriver. 20 screwdrivers, there's no screwdriver. Oh, sounded a little tiny guy. Come here, baby. Come here. It's better than that damn Singer sewing machine one I got. It's hard to hold it. Where's the screw, man? I just put the screw down with the screwdriver. Screw is history. How come no one told me I left it in the back of the car? Common sense, right? Look at that. That bitch is almost right on this side. A little wider on this side. Tires right there. This one, I'm going to open it up a little bit on the front. This one, front and back. Heights are pretty close. Then I'll sand this crap. And if I could get a windshield in it, it's just looks better than a wildly cut Banshee, you know. Unless I had some monster meat hook tires to go under it. Oh yeah, like the one off the dragster. Okay. The screw fell the fuck out. Like I want to look for a screw now. No, I don't. A little wider, baby. I can't get that measurement good. It looks pretty darn damn good. I don't know how I got a wider. I need my, I don't know where my veneer is. Shit. I can't tell. That ain't no way to tell. The tires should be the teller, but the tires tell me I got a massive amount of difference. It could be the angle of the wells. It's not massive. Let me see. Different angle. This one's like perfect. This one comes more out. I need a different tip that I could use in here. Don't want it to climb out. And I might have to make that's an amazing difference. And this car is completely flat. Huh. I may have to grind these lambs up. I don't want to. I mean, they look right, but yeah. This area here is supposed to be a little higher than here, so I probably sanded too much off of this part. Yeah, most likely. As long as I don't catch this goop, this putty on this sponge, it won't tear off. Ooh, that one's up now. Uneven there, sponge. That's what's bad about a spongy surface. Well, I'm trying to... I lost a screw. So we're just gonna try to do that. I'm gonna bring it to the side more. Without the screw, this is a mother crazy job. All right, let's just say that looks good. Try not to wiggle. Where's the rubber? Son of a... It's pretty close. Now I gotta sand the rest of this shit. And we'll have a decent looking beater Corvette. Instead of the way it was. I put a little crazy glue on just in case there's a thin spot. Because when it breaks off, it's a bitch. You don't mind grinding it off, sanding it off. But if these little pieces, the bottoms here, break off like I had on a few cars, it's a sad, moment. You gotta redo it. Don't mind your hands. Just don't get it stuck. And crazy glue doesn't dry for shit on anything else but your hands. Come on, get the fuck. Let that sit first. So I don't know if to you guys it's starting to look like anything, but man, the lighting is fantastic. I mean, that's the other side. I don't know if I'm going to be able to straighten that line out. I went a little crazy with the power tools. This line is much better, but this body was broke in half. I hope it's even true, But I think it is because I screwed it right before the shit was setting. Still a little flexible. I screwed it down on a chassis that, disappeared on me. But it was screwed down pretty good for a while. Just trying to shape this shit, but it's not working too well. Wish I had aggressive sandpaper on this. bad blemish right there in this. Alright, this video is a little too long, and I don't think it's really good enough to put on YouTube. Not that any of my videos were, but no tripod and no lighting. I wonder what this stuff even looks like. Any light? No light. I mean, I got to sand it. Maybe I'll use some of this synthetic. I got to get more of this stuff off. What is it? Freaking spackle. Just to fill the edges in like red lead. Then if I clear coat it, that'll make the spackle strong. But other than that, spackle's worthless. Alright, dudes. So much for the friggin' 40-cent mask. Talk to you later. Like and subscribe.